Winter is coming soon, but the squirrel hasn't prepared any provisions. She doesn't know how much food she needs. Let's ask numbers to help. They always help when we need to count something. The numbers scattered in different directions. Put the number 10 in its place. Let's help the number jump as high as possible. Wrong. Let's try again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Tap on the button with 8 nuts. Wrong. Let's try again. Tap on the button with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hooray! Tap on the button with 3 nuts. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Take a nut for the squirrel. Let's continue our adventure. The numbers scattered in different directions. Put the number 10 in its place. Good job! Like this. Good. Beautiful. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Here are the nuts which the squirrel has picked in the woods. Let's move them to the table. Drag the nuts onto the table one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's peel some nuts. Tap the nuts one by one after each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done! You peeled all the nuts. Now let's move the peeled nuts into a bowl. Drag them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a nut for the squirrel. How many mushrooms did the squirrel pick in the forest? Let's count. There are 2 mushrooms in this bundle. There are 3 mushrooms in this bundle. Drag the bundle with the right number. Ready? Cool! Keep it up. Beautiful! You've earned a nut for the squirrel. One, 2, 3. Good. One, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Take a nut for the squirrel. The chipmunk has 2 nuts, and the squirrel has 1 nut. Put a nut from the bowl to the animal which has fewer nuts to make the amounts equal. Ready? The chipmunk has 4 nuts, and the squirrel has 1 nut. Put a nut from the bowl to the animal which has fewer nuts to make the amounts equal. Keep it up. The chipmunk has 2 nuts. The squirrel has 3 nuts. Put a nut from the bowl to the animal which has fewer nuts to make the amounts equal. Cool! You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Now we'll learn the numbers of the second 10. Let's count the cones. Tap the cones one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the first 10. Now find the cone number 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's the second 10. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Let's help the squirrel close the jars with jam. Drag the lid onto the jar so that the numbers could close it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Take a nut for the squirrel. Let's help the number catch the fruits. Catch a fruit into the basket before it falls. Tap on the stone to make the number run onto it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take a nut for the squirrel. Let's feed the squirrel. Drag the nuts to the squirrel one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Take a nut for the squirrel. Let's help the squirrel beat the pillows. Drag the pillow for the numbers to beat it from dust. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done! Take a nut for the squirrel. Let's help the squirrel make buns. Drag the dough to the table so that the numbers could roll it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful! You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Pancakes with strawberries. 2, 2. Cool! Sandwich with salami and cheese. 2, 2, 2. Beautiful. Nut pie. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 4. Beautiful. a nut for the squirrel. It's a robber number. It doesn't add seeds, but steals them. What number of seeds should we subtract from the first number to get the number written above the jar? Done! Keep it up. Good. Done. Beautiful. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. You did a great job. Thanks to you and our funny numbers, the squirrel was able to thoroughly prepare for the winter. The squirrel has enough food to eat until spring, and now she can have a rest.